What's up everyone? Welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to hide apps on your iPhone. So let me directly get into the step. So the first one is all about, let me show you that I'm going to hide this particular app over here on this, which is Steam. So what I'm going to do is let me go over here, press and hold like this. So we'll be getting this option. Now from here, what we need to do is just go for require Face ID. So it is going to ask you this. So you have to go for the second one, that is hide and require Face ID. So I'm going to do like this, and I have to give my Face ID in order to recognize it. Now, once I given the Face ID, I have to go for hide app. And right now, as you can see, the Steam is hidden. And now if you wanted to check where it is, all you have to do is just go over here like this. And right now on the app library, if you scroll down, you can see there is an option called hidden. You have to tap on this one and give the Face ID over here like this. And right now you can see the Steam is visible here. So which means it is hidden and it is visible here. So this is how you can hide an app on your iPhone. And I hope this video is helpful. And if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon for more notification. That's it. Bye bye.